In this video I'll show you how to add, edit or remove profiles from your subscription. So each subscription is linked to a number of profiles. One profile is needed for each different business. So in this case the subscription is linked to 10 profiles. All the profiles that you've created will be listed here in the profile section of the user settings page. You can click the arrow on the left hand side to switch between profiles. If you want to add a new profile to your subscription, you'll just click the plus icon and complete all the settings for that profile. It's basically the profile name, my new profile in this case. We can just call it test profile 2. Profile default status, this is whether that selected profile will be the default profile when you log in, and it's automatically activated. The year-end month can be selected from this drop-down list. You can select a financial year. Template basically includes 3 full financial years based on the current date, so the financial year that the current date falls into and 2 previous financial years. Reporting month, you can select any of the 12 months and that will automatically then activate the reports for that month. The report heading can be specified, so that would be typically your company name. You can elect to show class codes, so that's the management accounts classes. If you want to show the codes on the left hand side of the reports, you just retain the yes settings. You can also elect to show 0 lines or to exclude them by switching between yes and no there. And then you can specify colors for a bar color chart, donut chart, color 1, 2 and 3, and then the last setting is a rounding tolerance. So anything below that value specified will round to the nearest integer if you complete the rounding option function of the management accounts. And then you just basically add your profile. Once you've added it, you'll see there's a new profile key created automatically, and the test profile 2 new profile has been created. If you want to edit profile settings, just click the gear icon and then it's basically the same settings. So you can just edit whatever you want to change and then update it. I'm just going to go back here and then I'm going to have a look at how to delete the profile. So the one we created previously has been selected now. I'm just going to go and delete that profile. So the trash icon, just click that. It shows you which profile you're about to delete, and then it includes a message that the entire profile will be deleted, and this will affect all the users of the selected profile. So it's not a question of deleting the profile just from yourself. You're going to delete it from all the users. So if you want to remove yourself as a user from a profile, you shouldn't use the delete profile. You should delete yourself as a user if you're an admin level user. I'm just going to go back now. Alright, so that's all the settings available for profiles. If you want to add a profile and your management accounts product is linked to only one profile, you'll basically get a message that you need to upgrade your profile in order to add more profiles. Otherwise, you will have reached the maximum and you obviously need to increase your subscription profiles to be able to add more profiles.